Hello everyone. This is how to use inshot to edit your video. And this is the interface. You click on video. As if you want to edit a video, you click on new, and you can choose any video of your choice. And so this is the editing interface. So there are many things you can do with this inshot app. You can crop it. You can increase the screen or you can reduce it. This is cropping. You can also play with it, give it any shape you want. So this is where you duplicate the video. That is, if you want to duplicate it, this is undo. And these are the tools you can use. So this one is canvas. Now we use canvas to give the video the type of display. So normally I like using 1.1, that is 1/1. So look at how it looks. You can check it out. So but I'm going to use 1/1. You can decide to remove the frame if you want. Okay, so this is music. You select your music, so you can record the music if you want. You can also put effects. There are different type of effects like this. These are the type of effects we have in inshot. So this is the type of effect we have on inshot. So you can play around with this sound. So you can also choose from music. So you can also choose from your live the music from your phone, and choose the featured ones inside the ones that you can find on inshot. So inshot has their own music or audio. So these are some of their music. Under travel, we have so many music like this. The type of music they have. So you can also choose from your memory card, that's from your phone. You can choose any music. So this is how to choose music. So when you choose it, for example, when you choose the music, let's go back to. So when you choose this music, for example, this one. So when you choose this music, you can download it, then you tap on use. It is now. So this is the music. So if you want to call the music because your video has ended, so you want to call the music, but the music is still going, you just tap on it, split, then delete. Yeah, this is, then you can go back. This is if you want to add sticker, any type of sticker or text or title, add any sticker of your choice, breaking news, and so many of them. So and even replace it with like. So if you want to delete this sticker, you can come here, tap it, then delete. If you want to change it, go to the sticker again. You can put something like share, for example. So I may not be good when it comes to video editing, but I'm just showing you exactly what you need to know if you want to start editing your video. So you can also edit more than I do. So let's go back, and this is how to add text. If you want to add text to your video, add your text. After adding your text, you give it any color. Come here to give it color. Give it black, red. You can change the color of the background, the text background. You can put it any color you want. So there are many things you can do with this InShot. So let's go back. This filter. This is exactly what the filter does. So just filter is just talking about effects that you will apply on the video. So these are the different effects. You can put the one of theme. So you choose any one you want. That is if you want to add effect to your video. You can choose split and many others like that. So this is the basic. So let's go back and do many other things. So this is where you record. If you want to record any part of this video, you can just come here and do it. If you want to trim, this is cut. If you want to cut any part of this video, you can cut it from here. There are many things. One thing I like about InShot is that their app is very good when it comes to editing. They did a lot of work in their programming, so I recommend InShot for anybody who wants to edit as a professional. This is where you split your video. So when you split, you can go here, tap and split. If you want to remove it, you can do say undo. So go back. This is the delete button. This is you want to change background. If you want to change background, this is the different background. You can change it to different background. So you can change it to different background. There are lots and lots of colors that we can use. So all you have is just cool down, and the more you practice on editing, the more perfect you become. This is where you change the speed of your video, that is the audio. So you can come here to speed up the audio. This is where you crop the face. You can crop it to any size. This is the volume. You can increase it to 200. So this is it. This is the voice effect. You can change it to robot voice, different type of robot. So I don't like using all these voice effects. It looks childish. I don't like using it. So I don't advise it. This is the noise. This is just to reduce the voice in the background. This is the place. You want to replace this video. You want to change it to another video. You can select another video and then replace it. Replace the current one. So that's not what we are here to do. This is so this is where you rotate the video. Yes, the background video. So you can rotate it. You can also come here to flip your video. So that is it. And this is where you come to freeze any audio you don't want from the video. You can freeze it here. You can choose the particular place. You can extend it. Click the particular place you want to freeze, then freeze. So that particular place will not will be silent. So that is it. So that is it for today on InShot.